Myself, Ishwari Ramesh Kulkarni. I am in 9th standard from Mahesh Vidyalaya English Medium School. Today, I am going to speak on a really important topic which will directly or indirectly affect our future: plastic reuse. Now, let's start with my presentation. Commercial production of plastic that started around 1950s has enjoyed exceptional growth to reach the present global production of 330 metric tons. Two major applications of areas of plastics are packaging and constructions. But instead of boom, it has been creating a havoc in world. Major reasons as we all know include its long span of degradation, which increases the pollution. Places where shockingly plastic is found: water bodies, foodstuffs, animal stomach, deepest place on earth, fresh or saline water fishes, and human blood. Important steps we should take. First, avoid plastic use. Second, we should use plastic that is recyclable. Third, plastic is very durable. We can make many useful things out of it, which we can use in our day-to-day life. A stitch in time saves nine. Thousands of animals are killed by ingesting plastics and marine animals by getting entangled in it. Only 9% of plastic produced is recycled. A whopping 2 million plastic bags are used every minute worldwide. Every minute of every day, a truckload of plastic is dumped into the ocean. Therefore, it is very important to make people aware of the hazardous effects of plastic. Recycling a good deed. Plastic is usually recycled mechanically. They are sorted, cleaned, shredded, melted, and remolded. By reusing plastic instead of manufacturing the same grade of material every time, we are effectively reducing the footprints of the plastic on dump sites across the globe. Some of our creative minds made useful things out of plastic. A beautiful quote: when you refuse to reuse, it's the earth you abuse. Today, Nike Air manufacturing innovation facilities divert more than 95% of manufacturing waste from landfills. That's 51 million pounds of materials, the equivalent of nearly 10 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Here we can see the process of making durable Nike shoes using polythene. This road, stretching from New Delhi to nearby Meerut, was laid using a system developed by Rajagopalan Vasudevan, a professor of chemistry at the College of Engineering in India, which replaces 10% of roads bitumen with repurposed plastic waste. Plastic tar road can withstand both heavy load of heavy traffic, says Vasudevan. It is not affected by rain. If you believe in stopping this abuse, then like my video and share it. Let's start to reuse and stop Earth's abuse. Thank you and Jai Hind.